SplendidActivities. Today it's another unboxing video. I think I'm unboxing after many months. So today we are going to unbox a speaker. It is the Motorola 200 watts 5.1 soundbar speaker, and it's M200 SB51. That's the model name. So guys, let's get straight into the unboxing video. So this is the packing. So let's unbox this. As you can see over there, there's the Motorola symbol in the middle. I'm gonna remove that. Now let's cut the tape. Whoa, it's nice. Come on guys, let's see. Whoa. So this is the sound bar, and this is the remote, and these are the wires with some screws. This is the plug, and at the bottom is a woofer, and at the bottom of this thermocol are two mini speakers. So let's remove them. Okay. The sound bar. It's so big and much more heavier than I thought. It comes inside a cover. I think it's 1.5 meters long. Let's remove the tape. Okay. The packaging is very good. So you can even hang this onto the wall. There are the screw thingies at the back, and here you have the plug-in thingies. Top you have the buttons, and over here you have the speaker. I think we are going to open the mini speakers. So let's open them. We'll remove all the thermocol. Okay, so here are the mini speakers. Looks good. So we have a plug-in thing, wire with the speaker. So here is the Motorola symbol, and we have an on and off switch at the back. Now let's move on to the woofer. Oh, we have another wire over here, by the way. Okay. The woofer, it's so big. Oh my god. Let's remove the pieces of thermocol. It's gonna be very heavy. Okay, this is empty. Just for support. And, I think even this one's... No, this one contains something. Now from this side, I will remove the thermocol. Oh, that's huge. Oh my god. it's literally so big. So let's open it up. And we need the knife. Oh guys, look at this. Looks so cool. Whoa. And I think this is the base. And here is the on and off button. Let's do this. Sweaty. Okay. Door here. So the top is shiny. And here we have the Motorola branding symbol. That looks so good. Oh my god, it's literally so huge and very heavy. Satisfying. That looks nice. Okay, now let's see what this box contains. Let's keep this thing aside. Okay. Guys, this is the setup I did for the speakers. This is just for time being. We'll get it fixed properly after a few days, and it sounds really good, guys. And look at the moonlight display over here, on and off button. So guys, let me play a song now. Guys, actually the sound is so good. I hope you guys found this video informative. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon for new notifications. Bye bye. See you soon.